two bullish scenarios is something. The first one is something that Alessio is saying. What if we accelerate, right? So we accelerate to the upside, then we should most definitely think about the targets. I think that the next most important bar is this capitulation bar. We just dealt with this one right here. Took us some time. So this one is going to be the next one. So I would say like my targets are somewhere in this zone. I know that this is a little bit too much, in terms of the zone, but when the price comes here, you just kind of observe any type of signs for the stopping action. The second bullish scenario, which I would probably in my mind is the first bullish scenario, looks like something that I've shown you before, and that is behind the diminished demand spikes. I mean, like, look at how demand is diminishing. And granted, supply is very low. I acknowledge this. But at the same time, the slowing of the momentum to the upside, especially on these bars. Look at them. 1, 2, 3, and now 4. Now we prognosticated that we're gonna have as a contrary review, not the reaction here, but actually continuation. So that came about. We also said that on this continuation, we're going to look at the character of that breakout. If the character is of contraction relative to the previous breakout bars, then we probably would be thinking that we are at some point going to react. But we need to finish this pattern of being overbought in the area of the uptrend, which is again strength. It shows strength. It's an uptrend which is very strong, and as you could see, the price spends majority of the time in the upper part of the uptrending channel. And this diminished demand and diminished character of the spread is still suggestive to me that potentially we could, around this overbought condition, kind of keep testing and then making maybe one last push, which is going to be less than this one and definitely less than this one. And then out of this, once we come to this target of about 32, 33 or something like this, then we could possibly react. Maybe somebody will be talking about a wedge forming right here. So after that, we might have a meaningful reaction, and this reaction should go into the base of this initial testing, so somewhere here. And that would be in line with the major trend right here. So I wouldn't be kind of like be bullish, like in terms of like momentum might come and we might push away, which we could have. I think that's absolutely okay. But I'm also thinking that we could have a reaction here, and we could kind of like still keep testing. So that's what on my mind, Alessio, in terms of the scenarios right here.